What's up, everybody? Welcome to another local band Smokeout. I'm your host, as usual, BG. And today we have Sons of Eli, a song called Unspoken. They're from Los Angeles, California. Facebook.com/Sons of Eli, if you like what you're about to hear. First, let's do the sponsors. We got Royal Blunts, The Terp House, Irie Roots, Cold Cock Whiskey, Glunt, The King Brand, Boost AK, Integra Products, Dirty Radio, and Rock Rage Radio, especially the tattoo metal section of Rock Rage Radio. California Care Group, they provide all the meds that we're smoking on today. Go to ilovemyweed.com. And Dave Fitz, who does the tattoo giveaway. Speaking of which, I have a tattoo giveaway going on right now today, so be sure to check it out if you like free tattoos. Yeah, so this episode's all about Sons of Eli and their song called Unspoken. So we're gonna, let's hit whatever this piece is from Hemper Box. Maybe we'll do a dab and a couple of bombers. We'll see. But yeah, spark it up if you got it. Sons of Eli, Unspoken.
If I ever hear that voice again, I'll fuck you up, that's right. It'll be as soon as I reclaim this fortress of solitude. Forget this world that we have played, while amongst fake attitude. On the eyes but you don't see me, on the face full of disgust. I'm aware of all the evil left beyond your trailing dust. I am the authority. Nothing can get through me. The
Sons of Eli. Unspoken. Out of LA. Facebook.com/Sons of Eli. I really like that hook. When it's like, I and the rage inside your heart, blah, 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 all that part. That shit is tight. Fucking, those guys get a 9 on that song. That song's pretty good. Sons of Eli, Unspoken. Of course, you guys can get your music or 420 product on the show. Just go to Facebook.com/localbandsmokeout. We're also on Instagram and Mass Roots. Dang, that that fucking dab. I never tried this before. I don't know why I never tried this, but I was looking at it and I was like, let me fucking throw the quartz banger into the bong, and it fit like a charm. I have no way of being able to pull it out, so it's just like 6 little teeny small rips over and over and over again. But that shit worked, trust me. Instead of taking one huge dab and just coughing for 3 minutes, take 4 or 5 little small ones, and it's the same effect, but you don't die of coughing. So anyway, cheers guys, and keep blazing. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Peace.